Are doing well, that you take care of yourselves, and that you stay at home. For today, we're going to revise what we have learned in the unit number 6. So let's get started. In this unit, we practiced, it was all about jobs, so we practiced vocabulary and grammar through different kinds of exercises. So for today, we're going to start with the very first one that is on page number 82 in your textbooks. So please find it and let's go. Number 1. Complete the sentences with words about work. The first letter of each word is given. Number 1. My sister is Anne. You have here 2 words. The initial letter is given in each example. She answers phones and takes messages. I'm sure you will guess what is it. Yes, office assistant. Correct. Number 2. My dad is we have C. He loves working with wood. What is he? He's a carpenter. My parents usually take some TO, 2 words here in the summer, so we can all go on holiday together. Time off. That's it. Bravo. Number 4, people who earn HS, we have also here 2 words, should give more money to charity. I know, you know, high salary. Bravo. And the last one in this exercise is, my brother has started a. We have also 2 words here, but words given through hyphens. Job in the evenings to earn some extra money. Yes, so he doesn't work all day long, just a certain period of time during the day. So it's a part-time. Bravo, bravo, congrats. I'm sure you successfully completed the exercise. Let's continue and move on to the exercise number 2. In this exercise, you're supposed to complete the sentences in the correct form of the words in capitals. Once a year, the company pays a bonus to its, and we have the first word given here, employ. So, once a year, the company pays a bonus to its best, yes, employees. Number 2. Tim is he plays the guitar in a band. I know, I can hear you, musician. That's the correct option. I know you know that. Number 3, work with their hands. They need to be fit and strong. And we have here build. Who works with their hands, or who work with their hands? So we need plural form. Yes, builders. Number 4, my sister is doing a course in makeup. She wants to become and we have beauty, a very popular profession nowadays. All girls want to become, yes, beautician. And final one, a taxi. We have here drive, has to know the city well. I can hear also, yes, taxi driver, taxi driver. So be attentive here. You have has, so it doesn't have, and a, which means it's singular. Unlike here when we have work, so we need plural form. Plural form, yeah. Okay, well done. Now we're moving to the exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 is about the second conditional sentences. Second conditional, as you know, talks about imaginary situations, something that is unlikely to happen. So when we talk about imaginary situation, we use the second conditional sentences, and we use what? In if clause, we use, yes, past simple tense, and in the main clause, what do we use? Yes, we use would plus infinitive. So let's start with the first one. If Tom, in brackets, earn low wages, he look for a new job. So if plus, what did we say? Yes, past simple tense, earn. Is it a regular or irregular verb? Regular, so we'll add ed, and the final form will be earned or low wages. And here we have in brackets look for a new job, so we'll have would plus infinitive, which is would look. Bravo. So, number 2. If you then can work for any company, which company you like to work for, please be careful here. You have what? You have a question mark, which means you need to make a question. So, if you, the past simple of can is what? Could. I can hear you. Which company? Question, question. Would you like to work for? Bravo, bravo, bravo. Number 3. If I were you, yes, I would take this job, yes. If I were you, I take this job. Usually, if I were you, we use when we give kind of advice to somebody. When we want to, in our language, it would be, ono kad hoćete nekog da posavjetujete. If I were you, da sam na tvom mjestu. Hoćete da budete ljubazni i onda nekog da posavjetujete da sam na tvom mjestu, uradio bih to i to. Okay, number 4. She give lots of jobs to young people if she be a successful business person. What do you notice here? In the previous 3 sentences, the if clause is in the first place. But what's going on here? She, we have a main clause here, and then if in the middle. You notice there's no comma as we have it here. When you have if clause in the first place, it's separated with comma, but in this case, if F is in the second position, then there's no need to use comma. So here is the main clause. We use would plus infinitive, and you have solution would give or apostrophe D give. It's a short form of would if she was a successful business person. That's correct option. And the last sentence with the second conditional for today is if I wear these glasses, everyone laugh at me. Oh, let's see. If I wear, there is what? It's irregular verb and it has form wore. If I wore these glasses, everyone would laugh at me. Great, great, great. Good job, guys. I hope now you understood. And now, pay attention. We're going to skip the exercise number 4 because this exercise was given as a part of the previous homework, if you remember. So we're going to move directly to the exercise number 5. And let's see. So now we are in a language in use part. So multiple options here. You see A, B, C, and you're to choose the correct one. Alan, and he's tired in the evenings. Why is he tired in the evenings? Let's see. He works with his hands. He works short hours. He works part-time. So here, what do you know? This work. Which option will we eliminate? Are we going to eliminate first? Yes, certainly, because Alan, we have to use as for the third person singular. What's going on? So we have to think about these. Works with his hands, works short hours. If he's tired and he works short hours, no, it's the opposite. So the solution is he works with his hands, and that's the reason he's really tired in the evenings. Okay, number 2. I'm writing something, yeah, the advertisement on your website. So you have here 3 options. I'm writing because the advertisement, to apply for the advertisement, or in response to the advertisement on your website. Because, because of, apply for, no. So, in response to, this is the expression that we learned while practicing what? Writing skills, correct. Number 3, we could work in the garden if it was sunny, it will be sunny, it's sunny. This is a short form of it is. We could work in a garden. Could is the past simple of can. So, we have here if. We know it's going on. What's going on here? Yes, second conditional. So the solution is was. Let's stick it. Yeah, it was sunny. Number 4. John is a lifeguard, but this summer he's going to work as a camp, what? Camp carer, camp babysitter, or camp supervisor? What do you think? Let's tick the correct one. Yes, supervisor. Bravo. Number 5. This is your desk, but you. Now we have, yes, modal verbs, modal verbs. I know you know them. This is your desk, but you. Shouldn't, needn't, or mustn't come to the office every day. It's okay to work from home sometimes. So, sorry. Shouldn't, needn't, or mustn't. Shouldn't, to give an advice. Needn't, it's not necessary. Mustn't, it's forbidden. Needn't, it's okay to work home sometimes. Yes, this is a good exercise, and I know that it could be tricky sometimes, so you have to decide which option is correct, and always there are 2 which are possible or probable in your opinion. Okay, one more exercise for today is, yes, languages in use. Also read the text and choose the correct answers. Jacob's dream job. Is it really possible to find your dream job? Jacob Wilder, 19, has done just that. Jacob has always loved music, so he was very happy when he got the opportunity to work. And we come to the option. So here you have 3 options, or even 4. We're going to check now. 3. Yes. So Jacob has always loved music, so he was very happy when he got the opportunity to work to work for, or to work on a music company. What do you think? Correct, to work for somebody or some music company. It is 3 years later now, and he works full-time as a music promoter. If I, then we have what? Will, would, could choose any job in the world, it would be the job I have right now. As you can see, here we have an example of the second conditional. It's already used here, would be, so are we going to repeat it and use it here? Can we use would here? No. What can we use will? No. What's the option we need to use? Could, as a past simple of can. If I could choose any job in the world, it would be the job I have right now. Then, I'm well paid and the people I work with are great. Plus, then we have mustn't, shouldn't, don't have to, dress smartly, I can wear what I want. So he can wear whatever he wants. So he mustn't, shouldn't, or don't have to. What do you think? What do you think? Yes, don't have to. Lack of obligation. He doesn't have to dress smartly. He can wear whatever he wants. That's great, really, for a job, when you can wear whatever you want. Okay, there are disadvantages to his job, of course. Jacob needs to travel around the world. It is exciting, but also tiring, and it means Jacob often works, let's see the options, shifts, long hours from home, sometimes until 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. You always have to finish the sentence. You don't have to give the answer immediately, and it's a kind of advice to read until the very, because in the very ending you have, in that additional part, you have the solution. So the solution is long hours. Look at the time. 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. At the age of 19, Jacob already has 3 years of work. What? 3 years work? Travel, education, experience? Yes, it was an easy one. But does he mind not going to university? Not really, he says. I have worked hard, and I have my own car and my own flat. If I was at university, I wouldn't, won't, don't, and won't. have all that now. So if I was, you see past simple tense, and here we need to use what? Yes, wouldn't. That's correct. I hope this was helpful and you managed to do it correctly. Okay, so this was all for today. See you next time. Practice more from the workbook and see you next time. Stay home, stay safe. Bye guys.